Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to do a review on some products that I got. It's actually two products, and I got it from store. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to try, but it's a Korean based store. When I did go to Korea, I did actually shop a whole lot at the store, a little too much. But they have these really cute items and everything. I'll put it down below and I'll put the name on the screen right here. But it is spelled Ximi and Vogue. Ximi Vogue. Okay. So this is based off first impressions only. I did not open any of these products. I never tried these products at all. But this is the first one. It's a aloe vera clean sponge. It at the store yesterday, and there is two stores down here based in Miami. So that's how the packaging looks. Also, I got the ocean water moist. It is 89.09 natural ingredients. I don't know what the other ingredients are. It looks like everything is written in Mandarin. So there you go. So the bottle is not travel size at all, which I'm very sad about. This one I did take out the wrapping off of it, but I did not use it. So this is gonna be my first time. So first we gotta clean our face. So I'm gonna use a clean sponge. So let's open that up. I did just take a shower, so I just left my face. So it comes with this. I'm going to wet the sponge first. So this is the case where it holds the sponge. How do you open this? Oh my god. I don't even know how to. I don't want to break this. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, so this is how the sponge comes. Okay. So there's slightly a different color. Green, but slightly a different color. I don't know if this is on purpose. Let's get started. So it does have I see it does have a little liquid inside. So it's okay. I'm guessing that's the aloe vera. It smells pretty nice. It smells like a leafy green. Obviously aloe is green, but it smells like a plant. I don't know what plant I'm thinking of, but it does smell like it. We're going to wet our face with water. Alright, now our facial cleanser. So I'm going to actually take the aloe soap and use it for my face. It works perfectly fine for my face. This is my aloe activated charcoal soap. Okay. It's going to list as black soap, but this is not actually black soap. It comes like this. So it says wipe your face gently. Now I do have a lot of blackheads on my nose. I am feeling a difference right now. This is just my first day using this, so there is going to be a lot of mistakes, and of course I'm not going to see results right away, but it's okay. I'll do an update on how this works. Okay, so this cleans off pretty well, as you guys can see. This cleans off very well. Drying process, I think I'm gonna have to keep the container a little open for a while, but that's fine. You're done, you just put it away, right? Okay, so now we're going to use the ocean water moist. And this, I actually really want to try this because it doesn't look like a gel and it doesn't look like a lotion or a toner, but it just looks very watery, as you guys can see. Look at that. And the bubbles, I thought this was soap at first because it had a lot of bubbles, but I was wrong. Yes, I did put it on my finger before I did this video. So as you guys can see, look at that. very watery. It's not like a gel like substance or anything. So I don't have a cotton ball, and I hope I'm doing this right. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay. So for my skin, just by putting it on, I like very, very thick products. My skin gets very dry. The fragrance, I will not put this on before going to sleep. I think this is like a morning prep for your face, especially if you're a natural person like me. I will say a little goes a long way, because I think I'm done right now. But of course, you have to get the neck. You have to get the neck. So I got the neck. Let me put a little bit more right here. Alright, so I think I'm pretty much done with that. So, of course, I have to end up with, listen, if you have skin like mine, there's only particular lotions you can use. And I always use my Eczema Care by CVS. Always. Or Eczema Care by, same ingredients. One costs a little bit more because of the brand, but it's all good. And of course, I have to get some Vaseline. Okay? Put on your lips, put on your eyebrows. Trust me on this one. I might not know what anything I'm talking about in life, but Vaseline on your eyebrows and lips before you go to sleep, it is wonders. Alright, my last final review for today after I unbox this and everything. So for the aloe vera clean sponge, I like it. It's not something I will use on a daily basis. I like stuff rough on my skin for some reason. It's not good, but it just works for my skin. Obviously, my skin doesn't have like major problems, but it's pretty good. I will take this traveling. It comes in your case, which is very smart because half of the cleaning sponges and brushes out there, they don't have cases to travel with, so I really appreciate that. The aloe vera, maybe I will see the results in a few days because remember, this is my first time using it. And it cleans very well when you're trying to rinse it very, very well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this product. I will give this a B minus because I don't feel like it's getting all the dirt off my face, but I do get pores right here. Blackheads, whiteheads. It did take some of that out, which I'm very impressed with because I be trying to get rid of it. Like, I'm very impressed with this. So this is a B minus, but overall I will give this a A minus. See, so this I would recommend to somebody if they have sensitive skin, they want to be delicate with it and all that. Okay, and it comes in two. It comes in two. So this is your other one. So remember, when this starts smelling bad or it's torn, switch out to the next one. And this was $3.49. This was very cheap, and it's worth the price. So for my review for this one, now I haven't been using this for a while. I do like it. It's very light, but I don't like it because I like stuff that's thick and moisturizing. It might work overnight, but I'm not sure, so you guys gotta give me like a week or so to see how it really works. The scent, I'm not a big fan of scented products that goes on your face, but this will pass it. The scent is very soothing. I could do it. I have to work with this. It's very soothing, it's very relaxing. I could put this on my whole skin and be about my day and be like, oh, you smell like the ocean. but not the strong sea smell, like a very calm smell, clean, fresh, and all. So of course, since I found those stores in Miami, I will be going back here and shopping and showing you guys more of that stuff. If you guys like this video, make sure to comment and ask me to review more things. I like Asian products in general. They're very good for my skin personally, which is very weird. I try African products a lot, but I see that the Asian ones work very well for my skin. So I love it. I love it. I recommend skin products from Asia any day. Okay, so that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to check out my store. Everything will be down below in the description box. And I see you guys later. Bye.